Shivangi, when a marathon, I'm like you said, it's not a rally, it's a marathon. So even when a marathon is organized, before it can even take off, certain permissions are needed from the administration, from the traffic, which will manage the traffic on the roads that where the run is being held, as well as, of course, the other departments where fire, etc. All those departments give permission. So here, the Congress Party, yes, we organize that, and because obviously the elections are coming, and I mean, rallies are going on, everybody is going forward with their election propaganda, correct, for the campaign. And this marathon where Congress Party has announced in UP 40% reservation for women, and this marathon also the slogan ladki hu lad sakti hu, and that's the run. So yes, it is a part of, it could be considered a part of the campaign.
Yes.
And now till and permissions were granted
But
by the
Swati,
administration.
how can the Congress Party just say we took permission? I mean, where is your own judgment involved here?
The own judgment, I would really like to answer this question. The own judgment that we took was in West Bengal, where Mr. Rahul Gandhi said
So
he
why
will
not
not hold
now?
any rallies, and there were no, because it can't be the moral obligation only of Congress Party.
No, but
It can't be only our moral
but you
obligation.
took that
This is
decision then.
each and
After
yes.
most of the campaigning was done, one could argue the Congress was hardly a player in West Bengal. It was fine. Why don't you
to
do it
say
in
that-
Punjab? Why don't you do it in Uttar
Well,
Pradesh? Punjab, your government
well
is
now,
there.
correct. All of that is right. Whatever you have said is right, except for the part that Congress did not have a chance out there, and we took it at the end of
Well, you were
after the
routed.
rallies, etc. Except for that part, yes, I agree with you. Well, no, well, are we going to stay focused on what's happening in UP? Or are we going to go back to
It's
West Bengal
connected,
election
right? Because
results,
you brought up the
right?
fact that the Congress cancelled its rallies. That was at the 11th hour
No,
anyways.
because see who's the,
But why? Why
Today-
don't you
today-
stand true to
today,
your own
Shivani,
stand in states that are going to polls
because
now?
it is not only our responsibility, it is the responsibility of the Prime Minister of India to start with, I would say, to lead by example. It is the responsibility of central government to lead by example.
2020. No, if you're talking
What
about the
happened
moral
here?
responsibility कि हर बार
Yes.
हमारी नहीं हो सकती, so what happened in the
नहीं,
Bihar
हर बार हमारी नहीं हो
elections when
सकती,
the
आप भी
EC
एक बार
gave you
लेंगे
a
ना.
letter?
Today
अरे
when you look
madam,
at
आप
Mr.
लोगों ने
Modi,
West Bengal
so,
में बोला
Niti,
कि आपका कोई chance नहीं था
I can't
वहाँ
get in
पे.
a shout fest. I can't get in a
No,
shout
I
fest.
don't
You
want to
completed
either.
your point.
I don't want to either. I just want to ask you one question, ma'am. That
Can
you
I finish
said
my
West Bengal,
answer?
you took a moral
Can I? Are you the
responsibility.
anchor? Are you the anchor,
No, I'm
Niti?
just
Let the
asking you
anchor do
one
her job,
question,
please.
ma'am. Clearly, you
This
don't want
is
to answer questions. I'm just
no,
asking you a
please.
very small
I'm
question.
not
That in
answerable
Bihar
to you
elections,
anyways. I am not answerable to you. Let Shivani ask me this, and I will answer this question too. I'm not going to get into a shout fest here where the whole
Shivani, can I
the
please
whole
come
debate
in?
just shifts. Yeah, sure. You
Clearly,
can
ma'am is
prompt
not-
Shivani to ask me questions.
No,
Yes,
Niti,
please
go ahead.
prompt.
I'll give you 30 seconds. Then I have to go across to Reena, the Aam Aadmi Party representative,
you.
also joining us.
Because
Thank you. So the point is that Congress today comes up and says that they don't have a single moral responsibility. The problem is that in Bihar elections, when the EC gave them a letter that there needs to be curbs and that this was an official letter sent, these people said that they are not going to hold e-rallies because that is not going to be a level playing field. They had a problem that the BJP might have a better control on that as well. So this is very selective on your moral responsibility when you say
Let's
that West
face it,
Bengal में
all
हमने किया
political
था, पर
parties
बिहार
are
में
not
भी नहीं किया,
interested
उसके बाद
in
यूपी में भी हमने किया.
cancelling their rallies. And I get that. 1 second, let me go across to Reena also. I get that you want to campaign, polls are happening, naturally campaigning will also happen. I get that. But is it too much to expect that you show some responsibility in the way these rallies are being conducted?